is one thing that you wish the general public would know about your specialty in healthcare, but they don't?
That people don't clean their belly buttons. I'm a surgical technologist and I assist in everything from general surgery to open heart surgery. And the things that we find in people's belly buttons before surgery is insane.
With that being said, I bet you all can guess what we're about to do today. Yeah, we're gonna clean our belly buttons. Let me get my toggle. You know what though? I was thinking, I always use Dial Gold to clean everything like belly button, piercings. I don't even know why I'm saying behind my ear because it gets really stinky back there. I don't know why, but it's gross. But I just really love Dial Gold. Y'all know I still have a septum ring up there. I use it to clean that. So I actually want to Google and see if I'm doing it right. How to properly clean a belly button. Dip a cotton swab in rubbing alcohol. What? I don't like where this is going. And gently rub the surfaces inside your belly button. If the swab gets dirty, throw it away and start a new one. Once the cotton swab comes out clean, use a fresh one dipped in water to rinse the alcohol out of your belly button so it doesn't dry your skin. And this is healthline.com. Okay. Are you supposed to clean out your belly button? Let's see. I guess you guys would want to see my belly. I don't know why I'm acting like I'm whispering to you guys. Sorry. Oh. I must say, whether you're returning or whether you're new, you know what to do. I had to do it. I came up with it the other day. I was like, that's genius. I don't know if anyone else does that, but I hope I'm not copying because I really feel like I just made that up. Not just, but like just a couple days ago, just. Harvey's looking at me like, who are you talking to? I'm talking to you. Okay, let's see. Okay, I just had to see if I was peeking. Okay, I had to do it again. I'm so sorry. Yes, I'm holding two phones, my microphone and my phone. Phone. I'm so sorry. It's been a while, so I'm really excited. Even though I can't see you guys, I'm happy to be back. It hasn't been that long, but I'm back at work. That's why my nails are jacked. So when I zoom in on that belly, y'all don't be talking about me. I've been slamming my nails all into the mailboxes, and I broke almost all of them. Almost every single fingernail. Jacked. There's no point in getting it done because I'm just going to continue to break them. So, well, can we continue? Oh, Harvey scared me. I was like, what is that? Okay, fast facts on belly button smell. A fungal infection can result if belly button bacteria multiply too much. Belly button skin needs to be cleaned regularly to keep it healthy. We want we want helly bellies, don't we? Helly belly. Healthy belly buttons. I'm okay. I'm just being a little goofy. He's over here wagging his tail. You're so cute, Harvey. Come here. My puppy. I love you too, big boy. Okay, let's see what else we got. Just had to go pull my shorts down. I was trying to look sexy and like hide some of that belly. Can you guys see my stretch marks? I've been trying to use this Mederma every day, but I'm lazy, so I haven't. And it's just sitting right here on my bathroom counter, and yet still haven't been using it. Okay. So we're not asking about smell. It says, are you supposed to? And that was the answer. So we're going to clean our belly button. Well, not we. I am going to clean my belly button today using rubbing alcohol. Are you sure I can't use Jack? I don't think I would want to use that. I'm standing over here trying to figure out why did I sign up for this? Like, honestly, why am I about to clean out my belly button with rubbing alcohol? Y'all, and I keep forgetting to back it up. I've got the camera going long ways so that you can see me, so that I can zoom in on my stomach and zoom in. It's okay. We're about to clean that belly button today. Let's do it. Did I tell you I wanted to do this? Did I tell you that? Did I tell you that? No. But I told you we were gonna do it, so I guess I should. Oh. Alright, I've got my rubbing alcohol and my Q-tips. I think it was an eyelash or something, I don't know. Probably not even a real one. Oh, I couldn't find any eyelashes to put on today, so I've got the real ones today. Alright. I'm gonna have to dip it like this. And like they said, I see why I have to get a new one every time I need to dip it. Because that's just nasty. Alright, let's see. At least it doesn't burn. Oh, it's not so bad. Man, it's not even bad. It's just a little bit. Like, seriously, just a little bit. I know y'all probably don't want to see it, but Harvey, what are you doing? You can't even see it. It won't even focus on it. New side! I did get a little bit more that time. I'm being more aggressive with it. Harvey's like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Ouch. Still not much. I'm actually kind of disappointed. The fact that it's been so long since I've done this, I expected to get a lot more. I wanted some action. Maybe I can get some action out of this part. Well, that was disappointing, but at least you guys know my navel is clean. That's a good thing. Clean and a little bit hairy. Well, that's it. It's like, I don't even want to get the water. I just want to let it dry out because it's clean. That water has bacteria. Like I don't shower with this same water every day. Get the belly button clean. Gotta get the belly button clean. I'm actually kind of proud that it's already clean. It's turning a little bit red. Oh, why is it turning red? So sad. I wonder how far can I go in there? Maybe there's more. Nope, still nothing. Well, that's it. That's how you clean your belly button. And we are done. But thank you for watching. Bye.